Nau mai koutou, Kor Kendrick toku ingoa. My name is Kendrick.
E mo atara WINTON SCHOOL, Kor Arlia ahau. I am Arlia. Welcome to the N.E.W.S news for Rapare, the 19th of May.
Let's taua te kupu o te wiki. This week's word is kino, which is te reo for awesome.
As in, kino ke koe e hor-a. You're awesome, my friend.
Kia ora koe e hoa. Thanks, mate. That's kino, which is te reo for awesome.
Hi VIZ VESTS. Most students are wearing them to and from school. Please do likewise.
Library news, also known as whare-puka-puka panui.
That's right. Te whare-puka-puka is open today from 12:45 for returns, browsing and issues.
It's toasty and the books are tasty.
Okay, tomorrow is the ramere and it's my favourite. Ra o te wiki because it's sausage sizzle day.
And hot chocolates. Get your stamps in the library from 8:30 koutou. Correct money, please.
Remember to keep your $1 coins for cookies that will be on sale by the barbecue at lunchtime.
The cookie sales help fund the Deep Cove camp at WINTON School.
Now if you missed any notices, you can play the news again or read all the notices in the text box below.
Problem solving team. You have a get together today at 12:45 in the group room. Kia ora.
Birthday news. 2 birthdays today at WINTON School. Braden Short hits the big time, turning double digits. 10!
And Dante Wolf is lucky number 7. Ra whānau kia korua. Have a great day, gentlemen.
And that's it for today. From everyone here at the N.E.W.S news, ka kitea pōpō. See you tomorrow.
Stay clean, stay dry, and stay off the grass, WINTON School.
Year 5s to 8s, you can play across the road at morning tea and lunch times.